Welcome back. Now in this video we want to briefly touch on webhooks. If you type into the search bar webhooks, you'll notice that Zapier does have a connection for webhooks, and we'll go ahead and click this link. And you'll notice several integrations that Zapier will do with this webhook application. Now a webhook does require some additional programming. For example, if we were to click use this Zap, you'll notice that you'll need a webhook and a Facebook Pages account. We go to create this Zap, and what is needed here is something called a catch hook. And Zapier allows you to test that process in this stage of the Zap creation. And you might undertake a webhook process if you really need an integration, and Zapier's integrations do not allow you to do what it is that you need to do. However, this does require additional programming. Typically, you can find a considerable number of automations just by the native applications inside of Zapier. And if you'd rather not do or have done for you the additional programming, you'll want to look to those applications. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.